Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Riah. It is September 12th. It is 7:50 in the morning, and we're gonna go look at a dog.
Another one.
Another one. You stay.
Yeah, thank you guys. Yeah, they're both great.
A lot of people are like texting. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Pleasure talking to you. Every city updates.
Good, yeah. Everything's good. Same old, working. Everyone's finally going back to work. Alrighty, you guys have a good one.
Take care. Come on, Barry.
Come on, baby.
Come on. Her first footsteps in our house. Coco's gonna go on defense mode.
She's like, this is my stuff. Oh, this is mine.
Coco, be nice. Okay, hold on. I have to get this situated. Coco, you know she's gonna be bigger than you? You know that?
Getting it in now while she can.
Oh my goodness. They'll play soon. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Coco, she ain't gonna take your shit any longer.
A tangy buffalo sauce, grilled chicken, and milky cheese for just $6.
He's been up to lead the charge. Good.
It is nighttime at our house now. Coco and Nilla both just got baths. Nilla was literally so dirty when I was giving her a shower. All you saw was like brown coming off. It was so gross. But her and Coco have been playing really good together, and she's just like really chewing on a lot of things. Like literally she's chewing on my finger right now. But the first 2 times she peed perfectly on the puppy pad. It was so good. We thought, we were like, oh my god, yes. And then the next like 5 times she peed, it was on the floor. But we honestly have a really good carpet cleaner spray, and it's coming out super easy. It's just annoying, but she will soon be potty trained like Coco. I literally do not understand how this girl pees so much. Like, she pees at least like 5 times an hour. I don't understand. But I'm cleaning up pee again. It's fine. I understand she's a puppy, so it's okay. But she better get used to not peeing in here. And now it is spotless.
Can I
Yeah. Oh my god. So Nilla just woke up from her nap, so we are about to take her outside to pee. She doesn't know how to walk down the stairs yet like Coco, but she will learn. My baby Coco's such a good girl. She's already peeing. Good girl, Coco. Oh, she's so cute. Good girl, Nilla. And good girl, Coco. Good job. Oh, sisters. Literally, Nilla just copies whatever Coco does, and it's so cute. Come on, Nilla. Come on. Good girl. Good job. Come on. Come on, Nilla. She got a little brave and then got a little scared. She tried, she tried. Hello, everyone. The last clip you saw was probably like a day or two ago. Probably just a day. I'm here to end the video, but also give some like an update, I guess. Here is Nilla. At the beginning of this video, you guys heard us calling her Berry. We thought her name was gonna be Berry, but we turned out calling her Nilla instead. So here she is. She is Australian Shepherd and something else. I'm not too sure. I know she's not full, but I just don't know the other breed that she is. You guys saw me cleaning up her pee. I'm going to show you what products I have been using to get it out of the carpet. It does not smell in here at all. It takes out the stain so good. Like, you cannot even tell. My floors look spotless still, and it's all because of this spray. So let me show you. Here it is. I actually found it at Marshall's. I think it was like $3. I went to Target and tried to find another one, but I could not. So there is this for you. The one I replaced it with is this. This one works better, so if you can find it, get this one instead. This one is good too, but this is the one that's gonna get your carpet perfect. Another update, I just want to give you guys a little bit of like facts about Australian Shepherds if you want to get one. I am not an expert. I literally just got her, but if you're planning on getting one and you want to know what it's going to be like, this is what I have noticed from just having her for these few days. Very whiny. She, like, if she does something wrong and knows she's gonna get disciplined for it, she will start crying before I even like touch her. Another thing is they take very long naps throughout the day, so during the night they do not sleep. So like, be prepared to wake up at like 5 in the morning ready to play. She nibbles a lot. She likes to chew on anything except toys. I will give her every toy in the world. I have so many toys in here because of Coco, but yet she decides to chew on a blanket or a shoe or cords. So that is one thing I am very cautious about, especially the cords. So I don't want her to like electrocute herself. I don't want this to get too long, so if you guys want to know more and see Nilla grow up, because she is only 8 weeks right now, subscribe to my channel, give this video a like. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I am so happy we got another dog. It is very stressful right now because Coco is sick, and I'm also dealing with this newborn puppy. But it'll all be worth it in the end. I love both of them so much. I will see you guys on Monday with a fashion video and Thursdays with vlogs. Bye!